I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice on a griddle, step by step. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want to have all your ingredients prepped and within reach, as the cooking process moves quickly. Make sure your griddle is hot, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and that your day-old rice, protein, and vegetables are all chopped and ready to go. This preparation is key for a smooth cooking experience. Now that your griddle is hot, let's start cooking. Begin by adding about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or vegetable oil, to the griddle. First, cook your protein until it's fully done and slightly browned. Then, push the protein to one side and add your diced vegetables. Sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a bit of their bite. This builds the flavor foundation. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the rice. Add your day-old rice to the griddle, spreading it out evenly. Day-old rice is crucial for that perfect texture, preventing a mushy result. Now, pour your prepared fried rice sauce directly over the rice and other ingredients. This sauce typically includes soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of sugar. Stir everything together vigorously, ensuring every grain of rice and every vegetable is coated in that delicious flavor. For the perfect finish, let your fried rice sit undisturbed on the hot griddle for about 1 to 2 minutes. This allows some of the rice to get wonderfully crispy, adding a fantastic texture contrast. Finally, add a small drizzle of sesame oil for extra aroma and sprinkle generously with fresh chopped green onions. Give it one last quick toss, and your homemade griddle fried rice is ready to be served and enjoyed immediately. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.